Hello, I'm Jill Urbach. Today we're going to make a classic champagne punch, perfect for any occasion. This video is a collaboration with Scott Urbach, Man in the Arena. Yes, if you recognize the last name, it's because I'm lucky to have him as my brother-in-law. So I will link his cocktail recipe in a card somewhere up here and also in the description below. And after we get done, I hope you'll go check out his recipe. This recipe we're making today serves 2 people, so you can adjust as needed if you're making for more. I got this recipe from the blog of the author Debbie Macomber. She's an author that I really look up to. She writes in a similar style as myself. She's written a lot of things that have shown up on the Hallmark channel, and I also had the privilege of meeting her at a writer's conference several years ago before my first novel was published. So this is Debbie's recipe. For this recipe, you will need 1 ounce of triple sec. I didn't have triple sec, so in this case, I just used Cointreau, which I had already on hand. As long as it's an orange liqueur, you're good. 1 ounce of vodka or raspberry vodka, which I did not have, but I think that would be tasty. 2 ounces of pineapple juice, 3 ounces of ginger ale, 8 to 10 raspberries, and of course, your champagne, or in this case, Prosecco. I just love these little bottles, and I like Prosecco, but any sparkling wine will work. To make your drink, you'll want a mason jar or something that you can combine the ingredients in. So you'll combine your triple sec or Cointreau, your vodka, your orange juice, and I'm just going to use this same measuring cup for my ginger ale. I love these measuring cups because you don't have to scoot down and get down to eye level. They're slanted, so you can get your measurements right just by looking down into it. 3 ounces of ginger ale. Stir it up a little if you want. Now I'm going to separate this into 2 champagne flutes. Oh look, there's plenty extra so we can make seconds. And shout out to my champagne flutes. This is Country Garden by Miller Rogowska, and these were on my wedding registry, and 29 years later, I love them just as much. I may have gone a little heavy on this. I probably could pour just a little bit less. Now you'll put your raspberries on top. I'm putting 4 in each glass. Very satisfying plop. And then I will top with the champagne. I need my glasses to see where to start this. Oh, for crying out loud. There we go. These little bottles are easier to open than the big ones, but not quite as showy. Okay, top with your champagne. Ooh, and hope it doesn't bubble over. That's all right. It looks pretty that way. Let's see if I can get this one right. Stop. There we go. And there you have it. Classic champagne punch. Now I hope you'll head on over to Scott Urbach's Man in the Arena channel. I'll link his video in one of the cards above and also below, and see what cocktail he's making for you. I'll be right here enjoying my champagne punch. Cheers!